Hey everybody, alright, we're going to do something a little different today. I'm going to do a comparison between Prime bells and Leslie bells. Everything's interchangeable, but there's a significant difference in the density, it seems like, and just the mass of aluminum that Prime used versus Leslie. So I'm going to do a weight comparison and a ding test. I'm going to do the weight comparison first on the 25 Leslie and the Prime Leslie. I got the 25 all set Leslie, and it weighs in roughly at 4.5 pounds. Okay, pardon my antique scale, but this thing is like within an ounce. It's pretty good. Okay, now here's the Prime. You can tell just by picking it up. We had 4.5 pounds on the Leslie. And what do we got? Let's say 7.5 pounds on the Prime 25. So that's not too bad. That's a 3-pound difference. All right. Okay. Get this out of the way real quick. Gotta make this as quick as possible. Throw on the 25 Leslie and the Prime 25. Okay, there we go. Wash the toes from barefoot. It's beautiful. I don't want to drop one of these on my toes. Okay, this is the Leslie 25 ding. The Prime 25 ding. Do one more real quick. Leslie. Prime. What a difference. What a difference. Okay. These out of the way. Get an old-timer scale hung back up here. Okay. Get the Leslie 31 bell hung. Turn a little counterweight here. And I'd call the Leslie 31 3 3/4 pounds. Okay. Three 3/4. Here comes the Prime. I'd say the Prime weighs in at 5.5. Okay, 3 3/4 to 5.5 is what? 1 3/4 pounds? I think. If I'm wrong, please tell me. Hyperfraction math doesn't work too quick, but there's a big difference in the weight. Okay, there we go. There's the Prime. Here's the Leslie 31. Okay, ding ding, here we go. Let's do the Leslie ding. Okay, let's do the Prime ding. Oh, try that again. Once again, there's a big difference in the density. Okay, there's that. Oh, happy little scale back up here. Get this 31 out of the way. And let's go to 37s. Okay, we'll start with the Leslie 37. This 37 is a square 37, and it has the best patina I've ever had on a horn. It's beautiful. I have a 44 with the same Same yellow patina with aluminum tab backs. Both of them. I'm going to probably build an odd 2 chime and do a 37 and a 44. Okay, Leslie 37. Weighing in at approximately, nope, 3 1/4 pounds. Okay, Leslie 37, 3 1/4. Prime equivalent of a 37. Call it 4 pounds. So it's 3/4 pound more than the Leslie. Okay, gotta remember not to drop that on my toes, it's pretty heavy. Yeah. Get back up there. 1, 2. Okay. Hang the prime. 37. Hang the Leslie. 37. Okay. Here we go. Ding in the Leslie. 37 bell. Not much of a ring at all. Prime 37 equivalent. Much nicer ring. Let's do this one again. Leslie 37. Kind of donk and stops. Prime 37. Nice ring, keeps on resonating. Okay, there we go. Let's flip these off. All right. After the 37 is the 48. Okay. 48. Get our scale hung back up here. Okay. Let's throw on. Let's do the Leslie. Try to do Leslie's first anyway. Okay, we got the Leslie 44. 44? Did we get the 4? Oh, 48. So I'm sorry. Get the 44s. Let's get in order here. I'm rushing. I'm trying to make it quick. Gotta keep my wits about me here. Okay, here's the Leslie 44. Okay, I'm gonna call this 2 1/2. I'm not going to be able to go much smaller, I think, because the scale doesn't go down that far. Okay, that's a 2 1/2. Wow, and that's a 4. That's a 1.5 pounds more than the Leslie horn, the 44 prime. You can definitely feel it when you're holding on to it, that's for sure. Feel the weight. All right, scale out of the way. Ding ding test. All right, we got Leslie 44, prime 44. Okay, here we go. Let's do the Leslie 44. Little bit of a ring. Prime 44. Ooh, that sounds a lot harder hunk of metal. Okay, let's do the prime one more time. Well, I'm going to have to say that the Leslie 44 has a much better ring to it than the prime 44. Okay, there's the 44s. Now we'll do the 48s. Okay, hang up Mr. Scale. All right, Leslie, come on down. I don't know if the scale goes down far enough to weigh something this light, but we're going to find out. Well, that's the 2 pound mark right there. I'm going to call it 2 pounds. Leslie 48, floating number, 2 pounds. Prime 48 equivalent, I'm going to call it 2.5 pounds. So this weighs a half a pound more than the Leslie 48. Okay, let's hang this one up. Okay, let's hang this one up. Leslie. All right, ding test. Here we go. No, it ain't the ice cream man. All right, this is the Leslie 48 bell. Nice little quick ring to it. This is the Prime 48 bell. Almost same. Try again. I'm trying to hit it on the high side on both if I can. Try low side. Quick ring. Leslie's got a little better ring to it. Starting to think the smaller the bell, the better the ring on the thinner aluminum, and the bigger the bell, the better the ring on the thicker aluminum. Okay, we're going to do 55s and the 2 power chambers. All right, square tag 55 here. You don't see too many of them. And here, this just got done today. We have a Prime custom 55 bell built out of a 48 bell. My arms aren't long enough, but there's definitely a heavy difference, that's for sure. Flare on the end of the 48 and the 55 is the same diameter, which is nice. That's why I use the 48 bell. Okay, here we go. Up, up, and away. All right. Leslie 55. I don't know if it's going to weigh it. We're going to find out right now, because I don't even know if this one weighs a pound. I'm going to call this one maybe 3/4 of a pound. Yeah, I'll call that 3/4 of a pound. Yeah, it's definitely not even a pound. This has got to have a pound to it. It definitely weighs a lot more. And this 55, I was going to say, will weigh, it weighs in at about 2 1/4. So there's a pound difference between these two, and when you hold on to it, you can feel it. Okay, here we go. Hang Leslie and hang the Prime. Building a Prime 5 chime. They never made one, and the only ones I've seen put together with Prime bells, they use a Leslie 55 bell. Nobody made the 55 bell out of a Prime. So I decided, of course, cut something up again. What the heck? All right, here we go. Actually, I tried this one. I went down to my buddy, and he threw it on the lathe and cut it on the lathe. Made a really nice job. Okay, here we go. 55, ding. Little ring. Prime 55, ding. Dense, like hitting a brick almost. One more time. Prime. Okay there, monkey. Come on. Leslie. Pretty dense on both of them. Not much of a ring. Okay. Get the power chambers weighed in and go from there. Okay, here we go. All right. We got the Leslie chamber right here. Okay. See if we can get it hooked in the hook. All right. This over so we can see the numbers. Okay, this is a Leslie round back, dome back power chamber. Oh, come on. Hook's messed up here. Right! Good thing my toes weren't there. Let's see if I can hang this a little bit better. Okay, let's try that. Side when the weight's close. I'm going to call it roughly a pound. Roughly a pound. This gives just a rough idea. Take a hole for that. Okay. A lot heavier. This one is the prime power chamber. And I'm going to say it's roughly weighing in at roughly 2.5 pounds. So that's about a pound difference between the two. Okay. And that's what you get with Prime and Leslie. Ding test and weight test.